for project 3, you're going to be using the Bezier tool. The whole objective of the project is to demonstrate mastery of the Bezier tool. These are vector graphics. And so we're going to go ahead and go with 3 choices. You can either do a holiday card, and so what you would do is you would just find an image that you liked of a holiday card. It has to have a character, so we're looking for a cat, an animal, a person, a character, a superhero, whatever needs to be a part of it. You're going to be what we call vectoring a character. You were watching Derpy get vectored just now in that little video before I started talking. That is vectoring using the Bezier tool to create vectors. All right, and you're going to be filling them in. Now, these images right here don't look like vectors, okay? But you could trace these and create your own vector from a bitmap image, which is what I'm hoping that I'll see you guys do. Wouldn't that be cute? Somebody could do the gingers. So here's just some ideas for holiday cards that you guys could vector. Or if you want, you could do a video game poster. You could vector your own poster, your own video game characters. Or you could just do a simple character drawing. These are some examples that students have done in the past. These are incredible. So what they did is they found the image and they imported or took a copy of it and pasted it into Inkscape, and they saved that as its own layer, and then they took the Bezier tool and at a different layer they vectored and colored and created their own version of it, so you could hide that original. And this is what we see. David Bowie there. Here's some more student work examples. Let's take a quick look at where this is at. You get into your digital arts classroom and click on content and scroll down to week 6, and you'll see project 3 Bezier tool folder inside the week 6 folder. So just click on that. Alrighty. And project 3. Choose one project to complete using the Bezier tool. So like we said, the holiday card, a poster, or a superhero or other fictional. It can be a non-fictional character too, but I do want it to be a vector of the character. The objective is to demonstrate mastery of the Bezier tool. Your card, poster, or drawing must have a character that was drawn or vectored and colored using the Bezier tool as illustrated in the video and tutorials below. So adding text or anything else like that is optional, and you know I will give extra credit where extra credit is due. So if you go above and beyond, I will give extra credit. Directions: 1, open Inkscape. 2, open the video tutorial how to vector part 1. So that's this right here. And it says to watch and pause and rewind as necessary to practice mastering the Bezier tool. Repeat this process with the other tutorials here so that you can get a feel for it. Use the STEM cycle that we talked about in class. 1, ask what you need to know to complete this project. 2, imagine what will your design look like. 3, plan. Watch the tutorials and practice first. 4, create, make it happen. And 5, refine. Take breaks and come back with new eyes. Remember, you will get the entire week to do this. So you want to spend, 30, 45 minutes to an hour every single day working on it in small chunks and coming back to it with fresh new eyes so that you can refine and see things differently each time. So here's the Dropbox. 60 points possible, 5 points. There's a background layer that is filled with color. Use the rectangle tool to create your background. 5 points, the original image is saved and locked in its own layer. 5 points, the work done with the Bezier tool is on a separate layer. 30 points, the student has outlined the character and other objects drawn and filled them with color. 5 points, the design successfully uses the element and principles of art to captivate the viewer. 10 points, you're going to submit both the Inkscape file and the exported pink file. Remember to name your files first, last, project3.svg. When you export, it should be first, last, project3.ping. All right, here's a video from what we did in class to refresh your memory on how to save and export. That saving and exporting will be towards the end of that video. All right, to submit to the Dropbox, you're just going to click on the Dropbox, scroll down, make sure you've read the rubric and cross-referenced it with your work so that you earn all of your points. Click upload and find your digital arts folder, and I'm going to, you would look for, like, for example, Rachel Girot Project 3. I don't have my own folder saved in here, but this would be the ping. So you'd click on your ping and open it. Okay. And then you would find also your SVG file, which is going to be your icon, and upload that. And then once those are uploaded, if you ever need to give a message to me, rather than submit and attach a text file or a Word document out, really particularly like Word documents submitted, I prefer if you just upload something and then write a comment in here. It's not submitted yet, so you have to make sure that you click submit. And that's all you need to do, folks. I am so excited. I can't wait to see your projects. Y'all have a good one.